friends! Welcome to Rachel Reviews. I'm Rachel. Today we are reviewing Stitch Fix. My first October box. I get it every couple weeks, so it's my first October one, and it is finally feeling cold outside. I think it's like 53 degrees today. So super excited for that. Stitch Fix styling service. You can get it, every 2 weeks, monthly, $20 a box each time you do it. Gets credited towards what you keep. More in the description below. But let's get right into it. They send you a stylist note and they tell you, how to pair them up. And you request kind of what you want per box. Or you could just leave the note blank, and just see what they send you. But for this one, I asked for a Joanna Gaines kind of fix. I always want to say just Jill. Jill from What Jill Wears. Her YouTube channel, check her out. We just did a collab last fix. And I did a Joanna Gaines fix for her that I requested for her. So I really liked what she got, so I wanted to see what Allie, my stylist, kind of picked for me and her interpretation of a Joanna Gaines fix. So, here we go. Happy Fix Day, Rachel, and welcome to your 24th fix. I am so happy to hear you enjoyed your last fix, and I'm sorry about the price. It was a little pricey last time, but that's okay. I kept this one from the last box. It's so soft. And I actually found the jacket that she had sent me on Poshmark, so I got it for a little less. So that was cool. Girl, yes, of course I watch Fixer Upper. I am obsessed with the show and had so much fun choosing items for you today. Let's dive in. Inspired by Joanna Gaines, I started you off with this simple knit dress by 41 Hawthorn. I love that this is a simple piece that can be worn on its own or dress it up. Or dress it up a bit. By layering jackets, cardigans, scarves, etc. over top. In true Joanna fashion, don't forget a really elegant pair of dangly earrings. She's so pretty, Joanna Gaines. I just don't even know. I also saw the Market and Spruce hooded top and immediately thought of Demo Day. LOL. See that wind there? Demo Day! That's Chip's favorite day. Pair with jeans and booties for a simple and cute look. I can't wait to hear what worked out for you. Do you have any requests for next time? Any fun plans coming up? XO Allie. I do have a fun request for next time, which you will see. Well, I'll tell you about it right now. I'm going to do an all pink fix next time because I'm trying to implement at my work on Wednesdays we wear pink like Mean Girls. So that's what I'm trying to do. We'll see. And I don't have a lot of pink things, so that's what I'm planning on anyway. Alright, let's see the fix. Oh. Look at those pretty colors. And everything is so soft. So soft. I love it. Okay, so it is a heavy fix. Let me tell you that. Heavy, which is good because it means fall's here. So first up we have the Pink Clover, which everything by Pink Clover is just so soft. Pink Clover Jamila button back brushed knit top in dark gray. So I'm really excited for this one. So dark gray, it's got kind of a nice boat neck. The back has all these cute buttons and elbow pads. Little faux suede elbow pads there. I'm really excited. I'm actually getting together with my family today, so I might actually change out of this one into this one if I like it because it's so soft. So I'm excited for that. This is the one that she was talking about Demo Day for, and it is the Market and Spruce. I love Market and Spruce. Salvatrice hooded Henley roll tab knit top in olive. Which, if I like this, maybe I'll wear this too because it's really cute as well. It's got the 3 buttons there. It's got the hoodie kind of place, I don't know what they call it, kangaroo pouch? I don't know, but, so I might wear that today too, I don't know. It's got the roll tab sleeves. One of them is down right now, so I'll have to roll that up, and then the other one has the roll tab there. And the hood, super cute. I think that's really cute, and it's a really good weight too for being a thinner kind of sweatshirty hood kind of top. I don't know. Good weight. Next is this cardigan in mustard. Mixed by 41 Hawthorn. Abrianna long sleeve knit cardigan in mustard. So this is like a really nice thinner cardigan, but it's really beautiful color. I'm excited about that as well. I'm really excited about everything in this box. So it might be a 5 for 5. So, okay, this is the dress. So also Mixed by 41 Hawthorn. I love Mixed by 41 Hawthorn. Lexie, Hacci, Hacci, knit dress in navy. Also really soft. So just kind of like simple. Really pretty color. Stretchy. It's got like the 3/4 length sleeve. They might be long sleeve. I don't know. Looks like a good length. So excited for that too. And then last but not least, because it's probably the most expensive, is Leo and Nicole Zaryn Cotton Blend Poncho Pullover in gray. So we'll see about this. This was kind of like the wild card for me. All the other ones, I think, you know, cool, easy. This one's a little different. So it's got kind of like a rounded hemline, and it goes up really high, the slit. So I wonder if I have to wear, I probably do, wear like a t-shirt or something underneath that. But it's got a cowl neck, really nice knit material, and then the sleeves are like skinny. So yeah, super excited. Let's try everything on. Okay, you guys, so first up is that poncho. And I didn't put a shirt under it, so just so you could see. So if I lift my arms up, obviously you're going to see my skin. Oh, I got a bruise there. But I think this is really cute with the arms down. You know, it looks pretty streamlined there. If you go like this, you kind of feel like a pierogi. I don't know. Does that make sense? You know how pierogies, they have like the crimp lines? Anyway, I think it's cute. I think I like it. I think I'd like it with a shirt on under it, but it's really comfortable because it's kind of got, since it's like a poncho, like that dolman-y kind of sleeve there, but I like how it's still slim through the arms, and I love cowl necks. I think this is cute. I think this could be a really good fall winter sweater. I like it. Well, shoot dang, you guys. This is adorable as well. I love this here. I like the little buttons. It's not pulling apart because of the chest. The buttons are super delicate. So like I had to do one of these sleeves here. And the buttons are really super thin and delicate. So I was a little afraid that I was like going to break them just by buttoning. But it's got the cute hood in the back. Really pretty color for fall. It's going to be really good for layering too. Like, I think I'm going to pair it with that yellow cardigan next. So, yeah, I think this is a winner as well. Alright, so here it is with the cardigan. I really like this cardigan. I think it's a really pretty color. It's just simple. It's like thin, like I said, so you could layer it really easily and not feel like too bulky, you know? And I like how it kind of goes down instead of just straight across right there. So this is really nice too. You guys, it's looking like a 5 for 5 so far, and that's not going to be good for my wallet, but we'll see. I do really like this one. I think it's cute. Good for work, good for casual, good for fall, good all around. So my husband just picked just now to start mowing the lawn. So sorry if you hear him, but this is the button back detail. And the buttons in the back are not functional, so like they're not gonna, you don't have to worry about them coming apart. Got the cute elbow patches there. I just kind of did like a little front tuck, but here it is untucked. So I like this one. It's nice and simple, but then it's got, you know, the little details that you don't expect. I do wonder, I think it fits me well through the shoulders and everything, but I do wonder if I want to go up to an extra large. Everything else has been a large so far, and everything fit fine. Like this fits fine, but just for like comfort sake, I don't know if I want to go up to an extra large or not. I'll have to think on that. But I really like this one too, and it is so soft. It's that pink clover, so super soft. You guys! Here is the dress. I'm not in love with it. I love the color. I love how soft it is. Beautiful color. Don't like how it flows. I think if it cinched in here and then flown. I was gonna say flown and then flowed out, it'd be better. But it's just the material so soft. It's kind of like clinging to places, and I don't like that. So poop, because I liked everything else so far, and this is the one thing that I don't like. So I'm gonna have to make some decisions. Otherwise, I think it's a good length. I think it's a little higher, high-low kind of hem. It's really soft. Okay, we're gonna go over prices. Stick with me. Okay, friends. Prices. It's my husband mowing, if you can hear him. Okay, the pink clover Jamila button back, brushed, yada 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 yada. It cuts it off on the sheet. $42. I think that's a good price for that sweater. It was really, really soft. I don't know. That's in my maybe pile. Mixed by 41 Hawthorn. The dress in navy, Lexie Hacci knit dress, $44. That's good for the dress if I liked it. Again, I just didn't like, the parts accentuated. But it's really soft. So if anyone wants a really soft, like simple long sleeve dress for fall, I think that's it. It's really, really nice. The Leo and Nicole Zaryn Cotton Blend Poncho in gray, $68. So that's my wild card one. That's my expensive one. And also, it's an exclusive I just saw. Exclusive. It's over on the bed by me. $68. I did really like it though. Because I don't think I'm not going to be keeping everything now because I don't like that blue dress on me. The Mixed by 41 Hawthorn, the cardigan, the mustard cardigan, $38. Not bad for a cardigan. And then the Market and Spruce Salvatrice hooded Henley in olive. I really liked that. $48. Total box price $240. 25% discount was $60, so it makes it $180 for the whole box. If I just kept the poncho and the green shirt, now let me do math in my head real quick. 50 plus 70. It's not in my head if I say it out loud. It's 120 minus $4. $116 for two pieces. Yeah, I got some thinking to do. I didn't love the gray sweater. I didn't love the yellow cardigan. I liked them both. But I did love those two, and I think I would get a lot of wear out of them for the fall and winter. I think I'm definitely going to get the gray sweater. I did really, really like that. Thinking to do. Alright, well, thank you friends for stopping by. And I'm going to schedule my next one, I think, for the 18th. I'm going to try to do that all pink fix, so heads up, Allie. Keep a lookout for some pink things for me. Whether it be pink shirts, pink pants, pink dresses. I don't know. You'll find out. Pink cardigans. We'll see. Again, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love to have you on my channel. I do all these unboxings and whatnot. I'm going to get my Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate bag coming up soon, so we'll do that one. That might come before my next Stitch Fix. I don't know. But I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.